Welcome to the lesson on AED for children. In this video, we will discuss AED use in children and go over step-by-step directions to use it. An AED can deliver a pediatric shock to restart the heart. The steps for using an AED in children are the same as those in adults. Always check the AED when it arrives on the scene. If the child is younger than 8 years, then use pediatric pads. If pediatric pads are not available, standard, that is adult pads, may be used. If you are using standard pads, make sure that the pads do not overlap each other. If needed, put one of the pads on the child's back. Some AEDs have a switch that can be set to deliver a pediatric shock. If available, turn this switch on when using AED for children younger than 8 years. If the AED cannot deliver a pediatric shock, an adult shock should be given. Be sure to start CPR. To use an AED on a child, first, turn the power on. Expose the child's chest. Then, apply the pads. Ensure that the pads do not touch. Connect the pads. Clear the child so no one is touching the child. Analyze the rhythm. Follow the prompts: shock advised, no shock advised, check connection, etc. Resume CPR with compressions. This concludes our lesson on AED for children. Next, we will review activating EMS for children.